I'm actually loving this.
Like, this is just like, oh, it's just so cute.
Well, seeing that I'm going on a cruise in a couple of weeks and I'm in Amsterdam, it's summer, I need a whole new summer wardrobe if I'm being completely honest. I thought that it would be a lot of fun for us to go shopping together. A little vlog style though. I definitely want to go to Primark, but my issue with Primark is that it's always extremely crowded. Maybe we'll do H&M first. Let's do H&M. There's a lot of sale happening over here though. Let's go. Just to see what's in store. Oh, I love this trend. I have more than enough scarves, so I can definitely do that this summer. I love prints too. Can never go wrong with a print. Oh, this is cute. I kind of like that a lot. I really love the color, but I feel like for the summer I want to go very like flowy and pretty with the colors. I always get a little overwhelmed when there's a bunch of different styles next to each other because I feel like you need to take your time. Ooh, wait a minute, I think I see something that I like. For 27 euros is not bad. Wait, this is so pretty. The thing just is that it's a low back. I'm not really a low back kind of person because I want to be able to just comfortably wear my bra. But this is really pretty. I'm trying that on. What do we think of this one? Is she pretty? I love the color, so I'm gonna go for it. I have no idea how I'm styling it yet, but I just love the idea of the pants. Oh, this is also cute. Wait, I think I'm seeing gems, y'all. I'm seeing gems. My problem is clearly that I see things that are so cute, but the colors are not very summery. I want more summer. Well, I have a bunch of stuff. Should we go try them on? Now we made it to all the new styles and these are so pretty. I'm trying to figure out if they're already in the fall vibe because this is more transitioning to fall to me. And the first thing I actually have on is this skirt. I love it. Also, don't mind the mess. You're gonna see the mess. I love the skirt. This is in a size small, and then I also took a medium because I just knew I would love it. I'm just not sure what I am going to wear it with. I'm also thinking like if I want to wear it more like a high waist. I don't know if I'll like it high waist actually. I think I'll like it high waist. I think I'm still gonna try on the medium just to see which one I like better. I thought that I loved the small one, but I prefer the medium actually because I feel like this is like my size. Small fits nicely as well, but I feel like this just makes me feel like okay, I'm actually wearing my size and I'm not trying to force my body into a small, right? And it also covers my butt if I put it high-waisted, which I like. Then I have on these trousers. I think already have these on an episode of the Fitting Room Club, probably the last one, but then in the blue color, I think. My issue just with this is that one, it doesn't have pockets and it's pretty thin and maybe a little too fitted because it's a medium. I feel like it would look better if it was just a little bit bigger. However, my dilemma is that it's 9 euros. I feel like for 9 euros, like this is like a throw on. Oh, I'm about to go to the Lido deck. You know what I mean? Like go grab breakfast. Like this is the kind of, even though but it's like elevated. You know what I mean? Like I would wear this with like a simple top, a bikini top, and go get breakfast. I don't know. This is going on the maybe pile. This is the definitely pile, the return pile, maybe pile. I really thought I was gonna like this one because I love poofy pants. Like I just love, or poofy, not poofy, just like wide leg, like flowy pants. My absolute favorite. Like imagine like you have like a very dainty, like beautiful heel under this, and then like a nice top or whatever. But I just know for a fact that my closet is not these kind of pants level at the moment, not yet. So this is going in the nope. I wanted to love this dress so much, and I love it from the front. I love like the rope detail. right?
I feel like this is just like, oh, it's just so cute.
However, look at the back. It's literally just sitting on my body. I feel like it looks kind of like a sack. Like just like a, you know, put it on. And I don't like that. If only like right here, like something right here would be different so that it would be more like tight to the body. Tight and then like flowy here. No, I don't like this. I wish that I could have this dress. And now a part of me is thinking like, can I convince myself to just still get it and wear it? Or does it not make sense? Because I'm looking at the back and it's like, it just isn't making sense from the back. And the color is perfect. I feel like this is summer. This is Mediterranean cruise. Imagine this in Mykonos. With all the white buildings. We're going to Mykonos, by the way, if you didn't know that. All like the white buildings and like me just in there like, oh, I'm gonna call my mom and see if I should buy it. I'm literally about to call her right now. I really, really like this, but my problem when it comes to white clothes nowadays is that they're very see-through, so you can literally just see everything, and I don't like that. And two, I feel like it could be just a little bit tighter around the waist, so I think I'm gonna leave this. Okay, then lastly, I have this dress, medium, 16 euros. Not bad. What do we think? We're not really doing summer colors, are we? Well, I decided that I'm gonna go with this one. So look who I found. My parents. My mom loves my dress.
And it's super cute.
Yes, I love it, but the problem is the back. Now I just saw this one. I'm thinking about taking this as well, but I'm not sure. Just left H&M. I'm gonna grab something to eat because I am hungry, and then we're going to continue. Okay, we're in Rituals right now. We got a little tea, a little chamomile tea, and I decided that I wanted to come up all the way to the top just so that I can see what the spa experiences are like and get like massages, breath work, meditation. This looks like something I want to experience for sure. Chamomile tea is really nice and warm. I still want to go to Zara, Mango for sure, and Oysho. I feel like it would be nice to go to Oysho and see what's new in store, because now that I go to the gym a little bit more and I run and I do my walks, I feel like I need more workout clothes, so we're gonna go see. And I also really want to work out when we're on the cruise, so your girl needs outfits for that. Let's go to Mango. It seems like Mango also has a sale, and I see color, which I'm excited about. Aww. One of the workers just told me that the fitting room is so full that even though I'm shopping and looking for things to buy, that I won't be able to try anything on because of the fitting room just being so full, and they're closing soon. Oh, I do love that dress. Look at this dress, how pretty. And I also really love the print. It's not really fitted, is it? I don't think it'll even look fitted either. Yeah, no. I decided that it's time to walk into Zara so that I can actually try the stuff out. I'm not really seeing anything that I like. Like, they have nice stuff, but the sale, I feel like the sale always kind of overwhelms me because there's just so much on top of each other, you know? Look at this. This is not this shopping experience. Oh, this looks nice. Yeah, pretty. I'm gonna try this one. Out there is... It's not good out there. But the way that I can explain it is Hunger Games. Like, the Hunger Games of fashion is what's happening out there, and I just don't want to be part of it. But I did find something really nice that I feel like might be something. I'm not really sure about it, if I'm being completely honest. I love this little like brooch. Like, it's so pretty, and I feel like it makes the dress look a little more special. I love like the flowiness of it, and I also kind of wish that it was more like a chiffon. Now it's just like what kind of material is this? Like a cotton? I don't really think I like that at all, actually. No. I feel like the more that I look at it, the more that I doubt, but I just do love like the neckline and the little pendant or the brooch. It's really cute. The second that I'm not sure about it, I need to not go with it, because in the past I have done that and I have taken things home that I didn't really like and it just ends up staying in my closet. So I learned my lesson and I don't do that anymore. I really just focus on how I feel in the fitting room, and if something fits to the point where I'm obsessed with and I love it, then I need to go with it. Let's do a quick round at Oysho. How cute is this color? It's like the perfect mix of butter yellow and mustard yellow. It's such a nice yellow. Remind me to come back in the fall season, because this is exactly what I need for fall. I need a good raincoat. Ooh, I see sale. I feel like what I love is like the flare pants. I feel like that's my favorite. The one I have on today is from Primark, by the way. And then my jacket is actually from Oysho.
End of the warm-up quick time for the dangerous.
One thing about me, I love going inside the Bijenkorf because they have styles that you usually don't see in the high street. Well, they have them, but also styles that you don't. However, high street is part of my bank account. Bijenkorf is not. But I do love to browse around in the Bijenkorf. How beautiful is this? Oh, how pretty. I love these heels. Oh, I like this even more. Look at the style. That's so pretty. I feel like I need something like this as well. Not just for the summer season, but also for work. I feel like it's so easy to just have like a little slip in. Look at this color. This is beautiful. I love color. Like, this is what I was saying. Like, I feel like I'm going for everything like fall vibes, but this is such a gorgeous color. So this is basically my problem. You see, I want Primark to sell shoes that look like this. Because isn't this beautiful? My problem is that I have really expensive taste. My wallet is not coinciding with my taste. Because how beautiful is this? Ooh, how gorgeous is this set? I love the material and then the lines. Look at them with the shorts. Such a like effortless look, you know. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm actually loving this dress so much. It's from COS, I think. I want to try it on. And look at the back.
Wat vind je van dit?
I like it. Okay, but try it on first to see if you really like it. Maar deze vind ik so cute.
Nee, maar dat is wel echt, ja.
Ja, maar met een heel and accessories. I'm showing her the blue set. Doesn't like it. Maje is one of my favorite places to look for outfit inspiration. I don't have any Maje pieces, but every single time I'm at like a designer outlet or I come here by Bijenkorf, I always have to look to see what they have. Look at how beautiful this is. Isn't that so nice? I also really love the beading on this. This is the dress from COS. Look at how flowy. This is what I meant at Zara when I said like I need like chiffon, like flow. This is what I meant. Oh, I love it. Yeah, I love this. I feel like this is just like, the only thing that I would change about this is that it would be longer. Personally, because I am taller, it's not my fave. Yes, mother?
En zo zie je het.
But yeah, I would personally love it if it was longer, touching the floor, because I am taller and I feel like it would just look better, in my opinion. That's just me. I really, really like it. It just needs a little steam. Steam and a heel. Okay, but can I see the skirt? Come back with the skirt. Come back with the skirt. It's so pretty. I love solo shopping, but I also genuinely love shopping with my mom because she has an expensive taste just like me. It's just so much fun. How cute is this with either a high heel to dress it up or just like some very simple flats? Now you're probably thinking, oh, like this is simple, like you didn't want to do simple. I know. But then I saw this. This is just And the material is really nice. And I love like the pocket. I also really love the fit of the shorts. That it like stays like this. I love it. Is this giving cruise? Because I feel like this is giving cruise. My mom tried on this dress, right? And she was like, oh, I really wanted you to try it on. So here we are. I remember I tried on this style. I think it was either last summer or the summer before, probably last summer. And I didn't really like this style. But looking at it now, I think it looks really nice. It could also just be the fit of this dress. And I love like the stretchiness of the top. Let's try on this skirt right here. This is from Maje. This skirt is such a vibe. The only problem is I can't close it. It doesn't close. It's probably a size 36 or something like that, but this is just really pretty. I love like the flowiness, not flow, but like the poof. Like it's like a big skirt, you know, there's a lot of fabric, which I love. And I also really like how this is going a little sideways. Do you see that? It's not straight, which I think is really cool. Die rok past me niet.
Serieus?
Yeah, it doesn't close, look. Die van jou ging ook niet, hè? It's probably not the right...
Bij mij ging het.
It's not the right size, I think.
Oké. Wat hebben we deze gehad?
This one, Maje. I think that is about enough shopping for one day. Thank you for spending time with me. And hopefully I'll see you next time when we go shopping again. I don't know when that is, but if you have your notifications on, you'll get notified. Anyways, girl, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.